From radio to the Internet of Things. The Laboratory of Radio Technologies and Electromagnetic Compatibility at Łukasiewicz Poznań Institute of Technology is one of the most modern facilities of this type in Poland. We deal here not only with EMC testing, in other words, the influence of radio waves on the operation of electronic devices, but also RED, in other words, the effective use of the radio spectrum. What is the genesis of such tests? Radio, one of the greatest communication inventions of our civilization, is a story from 100 years ago. The basic element of its functioning is the radio wave. How is such an electromagnetic wave formed? An alternating voltage source generates an electric field, which in turn creates a magnetic field, and it again generates an electric field, and so on. Despite the fact that the principles of physics have not changed, the very construction of radio receivers and transmitters has been totally redesigned, and most importantly, the number of users has increased rapidly. Thanks to miniaturization, the current radio transmitters can be hidden in a pocket. These are, for example, mobile phones, remote controls, portable audiovisual devices, Internet of Things, IoT devices, etc. An accumulation of transmitters and receivers, as well as people speaking simultaneously, can lead to chaos, preventing correct simultaneous communication. Therefore, sharing of the electromagnetic spectrum of the IoT devices that communicate with each other is required. These issues are regulated in the European Union by EU Directive No. 53 from 2014 of the European Parliament and of the Council on the provision of radio equipment on the market. In other words, the so-called RED Directive. The correctness of operation of IoT devices based on, for example, the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi standard should be supported by specialized laboratory tests, which constitute the basis for the preparation of the Declaration of Conformity and CE marking of products, which is required to introduce products to the single market of the European Union. We invite you to the Center for Radio Technologies and Electromagnetic Compatibility, Łukasiewicz Poznań Institute of Technology, where we will support you in the entire process of conformity assessment and obtaining the CE marking.